Hello and welcome to another stream. Got something that's like extremely wide, something long. Well, the box is big as and wide. Anyway, that's from eBay. And it's yet another Compaq Portable. This time the 286 model. So basically, Compaq Portable 2. This is the same style as the Compaq Portable XT. This thing is like extremely heavy as fuck. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing here. I think I got something from the same person a long time ago. Either that or the person was kind enough to actually put something on there saying caution heavy. 800 pounds and more over. That was the only bidder on there. On eBay, excuse me. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. And I have the Portable XT, which is over there somewhere. This is the, like I said, this is the 286 variant, so it's going to be a little bit different than the XT variant. I believe they use the same proprietary power supply. It wasn't until I think later on that they switched it to a different one, but maybe I think they used the same proprietary power supplies back in the late 80s, early 90s for their portable systems. There is like a portable 486C, which I have yet to come across on, well, actually I have come across a lot of those on eBay, but in like one by one. But let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what it looks like. Of course, it comes with everything. The operations guide, which is always handy. Then you have